Hello everybody, and in today's video I'll be teaching you how to make a pop-up form in Wix. So let's get started. So the first you will have to do is to go to manage.wix.com and now go into the dashboard of your site, and on the top right hand side click on edit site. Once in here, scroll down and go to any blank space on your website, and on the top left hand side click on the plus icon. Now from here go into interactive, and now in here you'll see an option for light boxes. Choose any four of these, which one you like. So for example I'll choose subscribe. Now click any one of the template you like. Now at the top click on set triggers, and now here you can name the lightbox. You can also choose whether to choose automatically display lightbox on pages, yes or no. And now just click on choose a page and choose which page you want it in. You can also set a schedule, and you can also choose how does the lightbox close, either by the X icon or the close button. On the top right you can change the layout either to left and right. You can also change the lightbox background. You can also change the animation. It all depends on you. If you want to change the text, just double click on it and you'll be able to change it. Now in the email section click on it, and now click on form settings, and under settings go into submission table, and here you'll be able to see all of the submissions. And there you go. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. I'll see you all in the next one. Goodbye.